All right, we definitely got a tornado on the ground just to our west right here. Big wedge. We are right outside of Grady. We got some, maybe some hail coming down here soon, but we just had a lightning illuminate this wedge down here. All right, we got some hail coming. We might have to get back in the car here soon. Holy cow. All right, we're gonna get south, try and get back on this tornado here. All right, today is May 24th, and we are just outside of Tucumcari, New Mexico. We have a big HP storm right in front of us, plenty of rotation. Let me hop out of the car real quick, actually. Pretty big hail core. Look at this, gosh, look at this color here. The storm went up really quickly. So we are just on the south side of it right now. It's moving like east southeast right now. Still getting together, but gosh, the storm is a beast right now. So I'm gonna grab a couple pictures. Don't have the best foreground right here, but like it's pretty mean looking storm here. All right, we are just south of Tucumcari. I found this cool little abandoned farmstead and house. And gosh, look at this storm behind us. That is crazy. Just some like insane colors from the hail core. Looks like there's some little gust front over there. But like, I don't know if you can tell that much, but like there's definitely some dirt being kicked up by this backside of the storm. So I'm gonna get a couple pictures of this house. We're gonna keep moving. We're moving southeast with this storm. It's growing so quickly. But wow, first time. Also, this is my first time chasing in New Mexico too. Pretty excited about. Yeah, I'm really excited about being here. So this is really neat. We are pretty close to the Texas-New Mexico border. So, alrighty, here we go. We've got a crazy low wall cloud here. Oh my gosh. It still isn't tornado warned somehow. My service isn't the best, but this is freaking crazy right now. Oh my gosh. All right, I gotta go get some pictures of this thing, but this is an absolute beast. Holy cow. So it's tornado warned now. This thing is really big, messy, but we're right alongside of it. Woo! Oh my God! So much cloud to ground lightning. This thing is crazy. Holy cow! Oh my my gosh. Woo. Wow. All right, I gotta get some pictures, but I'll get some more video here soon. We've got so much rotation right here. It's really dark, so it's hard to see, but so much rotation right behind us. Right there is just an insane amount of rotation. It's so dark. All right, we definitely got a tornado on the ground just to our west right here. Big wedge. We are right outside of Grady. We got some, maybe some hail coming down here soon, but we just had a lightning illuminate this wedge down here. All right, we got some hail coming. We might have to get back in the car here soon. Holy cow. All right, we're gonna get south, try and get back on this tornado here. All right, we just got out of the storm. It was by far the most intense storm chasing experience of my life. Got way too close. Just couldn't decide what road to take, and yeah, made a poor decision on navigation, but we're out of it, thank goodness. And gosh, this is absolute beast. Don't mess with Mother Nature.